Here we are, December the 27th, 2024, end of 2024. And we're gonna play around with some shutter guard material here. Part A cleaner with a brush. And what I did is I diluted it 20-to-1 and I put it in one of these spray bottles here. I'm gonna give it a try on this nasty algae on the outside of our condo in Rochester, Michigan. It's pretty nasty. So it's a real problem with all of these condos that are here. I think they're maybe 20 years old. The vinyl siding is still in good shape. It's still got good color retention, but on the north sides of every one of these buildings, it's green. So I thought what we'd do is give the shutter guard a try here and see if we can remove some of this product. And I'm just gonna do a quickie. So I'm spraying it. You would normally have this in a bucket with a brush. Like this. And then you would move this back and forth. And you can see, oh wow, it is basically removed all of it with one fell swoop. I mean, you could literally do the whole side of this house with a brush and a bucket. And the great thing about this product is that here's where we did it here. Here's where it was. Did it here. We did it here. And here it is up above still. The great thing about this product is that it washes off with water. So we did not use, I basically put some water in here. And we did not use any power washing. We didn't scrub this. I used a boat brush. And when this is dry, this is going to leave this looking a little bit on the glossy side like it did when it was new. And it's going to have a coating on it that's going to be more or less a protectant. Now you could go crazy and put the part B that they manufacture on this, but I think it would be a waste of time when you can just do this probably, you know, every couple, 3 years and just clean it over and over again. This is a approved product by Boeing. It's approved product by the military. Does not have any caustics, no acids, and we did not employ the use of a power washer. So I'm thinking that this product has got another use, and it would be for cleaning of vinyl siding and exterior trim. We've allowed the area that we treated to dry, and you can see the huge difference between the rest of the wall and the area that we cleaned with the shutter guard part A. It's amazing. We didn't have to use a power washer and force any of the water up inside here, going behind the siding, causing any mold problems or any mildew problems. And if you look at it from an angle, you can really see the difference. Matter of fact, see this line here? There's a line that runs down through here. And this is where the shutter guard was, here, where we cleaned it with shutter guard. And this is where we did not clean it. It's clean, but was never cleaned. So what's interesting is you take this, and it's filthy. Go over to the shutter guard after one application with a brush, and clean, absolutely clean. That was one application. Took me maybe 30 seconds, if that. It was just super fast. Now remember, this product has no acids, it has no bleaches, it will not strip off any of the original coatings. And back to what we were talking about here with this line, is it goes from a kind of a dry look to a sheen, a very slight sheen like what it was from the factory. And you can actually feel it, that it's much more slick than this area. Because we're using a soap type of product, it's going to get behind all of those organisms and it's going to lift them off the surface and allow us to remove them rather than using a bleach or an acid that doesn't kill everything, and then, you know, a month later, 2 months later, you got the product, you've got big blotches coming back and growing again because you didn't kill it all. So quite impressed with this product. It does have Boeing certification as well as military certification also, so we know we're putting a good product on our home, and we're not going to have vinyl drying out because we're using the wrong product or cracking or discoloring. Impressed with the product. The Shutter Guard Part A works wonderfully for this application. Can't wait to use it on the gutters.